How to fix Marvel Rivals DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can fix that error of the Marvel Rivals not being supported on your system. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can install the Marvel Rivals and then see if that supports our system or not. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can do that. First of all, when you head over to the Steam application and if you downloaded the Marvel Rivals from Steam, in order to fix that issue, these are the process you may follow. So let's go ahead and look out for our device manager first and look out if we have updated our driver or not. So if you haven't updated our graphic drivers, go ahead and update the driver. Go ahead with the process of updating your driver and see and try opening up the Marvel Rivals and see if that is supporting or your system or not. Another thing is if you have opened up your Marvel Rivals, what you're going to do is locate it on your screen from the Steam itself. Go ahead and go to your settings and go to the launch options and type in this number that I'm showing on the screen right now. After that is done, you're going to verify the integrity of that game file, and after that is done, go ahead and open up your settings on your device. And from here we're going to go to the update and security, and if any kind of update is available for our device, just go ahead and update our device and that should probably fix your issue. So therefore these are the process you may follow in order to fix your Marble Rivals not supporting something. So therefore I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.